Ganina, kay nakadawat man ta from yung buntag. So, ganina kay nagasto na tag like 1,000 sa ice cream. Dayon, kanang, ano sa pangalan ni? Sa pag ito. We also agreed na ang 1,000 kay ato ipalit o dungag sa kapal. Kay ang katong 1,000 nga sa study room mo ipalit ako notebook. At least man lang makapalit ni sa duha. Notebook o kapal. So, the remaining 4,000 kay 6,000 matutanan, kay mo ito yung ako iapod. Okay? So, balik tag 250 tatanan. Tanan, kamura di ay. Wa ko'y labo. Walay ka picture dyan. Dawan ko. Ang walay mama, mo ito nga student ang dawan. Thank you so much for your effort. For waking up early. Tukok. Sa inyong love. Kami good. Kami so mag-isan. Ay, kadi ng mga usap. Grabe. Dawas na mo. Okay, that is from Mayong Buntag.
Mayong Buntag, kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. So, since the three of you always volunteered to help study room, so this is my husband. He always be the one to set up the trapal or the tent for the study for the event outside. And Annalyn and Jermaine also always help whenever there are missions, monthly donations, and whatever events in the study room. So I will also gonna give you 200 each. Please receive. Okay, and that is from Maayong Buntag Ni.
Mayong Buntag ning kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Okay. So, earlier, we actually have talked about, supposedly there is 1,000 that will be remaining for the trapal. But since there are people that I haven't given yet, so here's the list. We received 6,000 from Maayong Buntag Ni. 1,000 was for students ice cream earlier. So that is 5,000 remaining. So the 5,000 also deducted 4,250 for the 17 mothers who pledged, and this is the refund. So the 17 mothers received 250 each. So the remaining of the money is 750. Now the 750 has been deducted 600 for the 3 volunteers. 3 volunteers. Hold on. Where is that? Okay, 3 volunteers. And we still have 150 remaining. So the 150 remaining will be added on the study room expenses. So we still have like 1,172 for the study room money, and the 1,000 will be used for the trapal, and we will just gonna buy the notebook next month. If we will gonna receive a study room expenses again. So that is all the sum up. Mayong Buntag Ni, kamsahamnida.